What is the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, in workplace discrimination? Imagine going to work and feeling like you are treated unfairly just because of a disability. That can happen, but the Americans with Disabilities Act is here to protect you. This law is a federal civil rights law that stops employers from discriminating against qualified workers with disabilities. It covers companies with 15 or more employees, including state and local governments, employment agencies, and labor unions. The goal is to make sure everyone has an equal shot at employment opportunities like hiring, promotions, training, pay, and other job conditions. A disability under the ADA is defined as a physical or mental impairment that significantly limits one or more major life activities. It also includes having a history of such an impairment or being seen as having one. To be protected, a person must be a qualified individual with a disability, meaning they meet the job skills, experience, and education requirements and can do the essential parts of the job with or without reasonable help. Workplace discrimination under the ADA includes treating someone unfairly because of their disability, their past disabilities, or if they are perceived as having a disability. It also protects people from discrimination based on their relationship with someone who has a disability. Employers are required to provide reasonable accommodations to help employees or job applicants with disabilities perform their jobs. These accommodations can include flexible work hours, restructuring jobs, making facilities accessible, reassigning to a different position, or adjusting equipment. However, accommodations are not required if they cause what is called an undue hardship. That means if providing the help would be too difficult or expensive for the employer, considering their size, resources, and business needs. The ADA bans discrimination in all parts of employment, including hiring, firing, pay, job duties, promotions, layoffs, training, and benefits. It also makes sure that workplace policies or rules do not unfairly impact people with disabilities. From a workplace rights perspective, the ADA makes clear that employers must actively prevent discrimination and work with employees to find effective accommodations. They need to balance following the law with managing their business. This means understanding what is reasonable and what might be an undue hardship. Overall, the ADA helps create a fairer work environment where people with disabilities can participate fully and without unfair barriers.